What's going on, guys? Welcome back today for another video. This is going to be just a quick little overview. I can't find any pictures or really good videos of what exactly the PMF suspension dual steering stabilizer kit, like what all it looks like, how it really works, and there's gonna be better videos on this steering kit once I get the truck completely done. But I just now got my steering stabilizer kit in from PMF, everything except for the shocks. The shocks will be here Monday. Today is Friday. So I went with the Fox shocks. You can do Bilstein, Fox, or King. Just kind of right there in the middle. I have Fox shocks with reservoirs right here that will be going on the front and the rear. So I'm not going to talk you to death. We're going to go ahead and go over what all exactly comes in the bracket only kit, because I ordered that and then I called Trevor back at PMF and ordered the shocks like 2 or 3 days later. So that's why those are going to be here Monday, and I already have the bracket only kit. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so this is the actual bracket that will mount to the axle housing. It goes right there with 2 bolts in the top and 2 bolts in the bottom. And then this piece right here goes around your axle and bolts onto the axle housing exactly like that. All of this is a wrinkle black powder coat. Super durable, I would assume. It looks like it would be super durable. I know the wrinkle powder coats are pretty beefy. As far as quality goes of all of the welds and all of the cuts, as usual whenever you're talking about PMF, of course now they are covered up by a textured powder coat. All of these kits are pre-made and wrinkle black powder coat. I don't know if you can get them raw or not, but this will get blasted and powder coated the same color as everything else on the truck. So jumping into how the shocks mount, pretty much your shocks, depending on your tie rod bar setup and stuff, I think sometimes they'll mount on the top, sometimes they mount on the bottom. Also depends on like your lift height. So from where I'll be at 10 inches of lift, Trevor said that mine would mount on the top. So literally your shocks would go right here, and then you put this on top of it and run the bolts down through. So that's how your shocks mount to this bracket. And then how they mount to the tie rod bar is with these 2 brackets right here. Cooper. Anyway, Cooper enjoys looking at truck parts. Okay, back to the video. So this is all of the hardware that comes in the kit. Just want to kind of show that to you in depth. And you have all of your bolts. Looks like grade 8 hardware, I guess. It actually doesn't say. I would assume that it's grade 8 from like the color of it. I don't know. And then grade 8 washers, and then the U-bolts which go around your tie rod ends and pretty much just slip right down into there. Of course, with a little bit of persuasion, everything fits together super tight. And then your shocks go onto this piece, and then of course a bolt would go down through here, like so. Obviously not that one, but I would say it's probably this one. Yeah, I would say that it's that bolt right there. And of course we'll go over the directions whenever we go to install this kit. But I just kind of wanted to show you what you get with the PMF brackets only kit, which runs $199 plus tax and shipping. So going over to PMFsuspension.com, I think that's their exact address. The link to their website will be down below. This is for 2005 through 2016 F250 and F350 dual steering stabilizer setup. And like I said, you get to pick between Fox, Bilstein, and King shock. The bracket only kit is $199 plus however much the shocks cost. I think the Fox ones ran like 300 and something bucks like that for both of the shocks. The Bilsteins are a little bit cheaper, and then I think the Kings are a little bit more. I just wanted to go ahead and throw this video up. Thank you for watching. If you like F250 content, please click that subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up and comment what you want to see next on the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.